Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, concept designer with Fun Stamper's Journey. I want to welcome you to today's product spotlight video, where I'm going to show you how to assemble our triangle treat box die. So the die comes in two pieces. You've got your main piece that creates the front and back, and the side piece. So when you cut it out, you're going to cut two of the side piece and one of the main piece. Now I should mention that this die measures just over 11 inches. So when you're laying it out on, if you have a large platform machine, you're going to want to lay it out on your 8.5 by 11 sheet just at a slight angle so that you can get the whole thing in one sheet. Now, if you only have a small platform, then what you can do is we do have a workaround on that, and you're going to cut two pieces that you're going to go to right about here, and you're going to cut that twice. Because what you're going to do is you're going to get your two pieces, you're going to fold it along the scored line. Sorry about that. And then you're going to cut right at that score piece, and you're going to adhere them together. And that will accomplish the same thing as your one piece. So we're going to fold this out, and then of course I love to use our crease tool to get a nice flat, even fold. Okay. And these guys are going to assemble like this. Now all three of these tabs that you're folding in are going to be the adhesive tabs. So it's going to come together like this. Okay? So I already have some pieces prepared here with our white liner tape. And the best way I have found to adhere this treat box is we're going to adhere the bottom of both sides first. Then you can just lie it flat on your table and get a nice even pressure to get that adhesive into the paper fibers. Now you're ready for your sides. So you're going to start out by doing one side. And gently line them up and press. Then you're going to, oop, this one was slightly off. That is not a big deal. We can just adjust it a little bit by taking that one piece out. There we go. All right. It's not going to make a difference in the end if you are slightly off your lines. Okay. And now you're going to come in with your crease tool and you're going to run it along the adhesive tabs once again. Okay, at this point is where you're going to pause and fill it with whatever treat you're going to have for it. And then you're going to go ahead and seal it up. And you just sort of gently get this lined up. And then what you can do is come in through the top, because as you can see, you don't have any pressure at this point to kind of get a good tight adhesion. So you're going to come in at the top and you're going to use your fingers and you're going to run that crease tool up against the pressure of your fingers, and then you can get a nice tight adhesion. And here you have the treat box. It measures at the bottom 3 inches square, and then at the top peak here is 3.5 inches. So this is plenty room to get a really nice treat. So let me show you a couple of samples we have. So this one was, this little decoration up here was using our star punch. So to get them all in the same alignment, just go ahead and line up your paper guide in the same place on each of the scallops. And you can go ahead and get them in perfect alignment. And then just wrap your twine around it and you have a really cute little party box. And this one here is really cute, really universal. This is just, these circles were just from one of our punches. So you can just punch and adhere them, getting a nice cute effect. And then we have a slit punch that you can, that would be before you adhere your triangle pieces together. Go ahead and reach in with your slit punch, and then you can tie it up like that. So I hope I've inspired you to use your triangle treat box die. Thank you so much for watching, and now it's your turn to bring paper to life.